In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to convert a colored photo to a black and white photo on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions can be used on previous iPhones and other iPhone models as well. So go to the Photos app on your iPhone or even iPad, and then find the colored photo you want to turn into a black and white photo. So let me pick this one for instance. Now once you select the photo, just tap on Edit in the upper right side and the editor opens up. Now at the bottom row, tap on the filters icon. It's this one with 3 circles. So just tap on the filter icon. Once you tap on it, you should see different filters. Okay. Now the filter we're looking for is called mono. Okay. So that's the filter we are looking for. That is the black and white filter that turns your photo into black and white. Now there are also other variations of black and white. You have this one called Silverstone, which is a bit of a retro effect. And then you have this one called No. So I'll choose mono, which is the most basic black and white version of this photo, and then tap on done in the bottom left corner. And now as you can see, my photo is black and white while all other photos remain colored. And that's basically how to turn a colored photo into a black and white photo on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.